Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Zoho Backstage in your CRM account. First, we're going to go to your settings here in the upper right of your screen. Then under Marketplace, click Zoho. Then as we're finding the Zoho Backstage, click Setup Now. And here in the integration information, after reading it, go and click Get Started and create a new portal. In creating a new portal, it will ask for you to give the portal a name. For example, it's the CRM, and give a subdomain for it. Let's say Test Backstage. Then click Create Portal. Oh, the domain is already taken. Let's try to find a unique name for it. The CRM Carpenters. I'm sure this is unique. Let's go create. The domain is already taken too. Let's try April Unique. I'm sure this is unique because it's April Unique. Now let's click Take Me on the Tour to explore the Zoho Backstage. So here's the design where you will create the information about your event. The next is the market, followed by connect and analyze. Now this is the view of your Zoho Backstage. Now on the next video I will teach you how to create an event in the CRM that will be integrated in your Zoho Backstage right here. Thank you for watching.